This is tutorial number 145, and it covers how to calculate coating within SOLIDWORKS. Now to start off, open up the part number 145, which I've included on the DVD. So what I'm going to show you in this tutorial is how to calculate the surface area and how to calculate coating for a certain part. So at my job, lots of times we have to calculate coating on a part. So either it's going to be the paint on the part, or if you want to plate a part with a certain kind of metal, you have to calculate the surface area to get kind of like a quote to find out how much it's going to be. So in this tutorial, I'm going to kind of show you just kind of like how you go about and how you do this. So obviously, if you're going to get a coating quote for a certain part, what you're going to have to do is tell them the surface area. So to easily do this, when you have the part, all you have to do is go to Mass Properties and click on it, and it's going to tell you your surface area right here. So right now it's in millimeters, and the surface area is 44,818. So you know that, and say you want to add an extra feature and you want to find out how much it's going to cost additionally for that coating. So you can remember the number that you just had, write that down, then say that you want to add a fillet on the two sides here. So let's click on fillet and click on these lines. And we're going to be adding a 2mm fillet. Click OK. And then go back to your mass properties and see the difference. So if you click on mass properties, now it's gone to 44,522. So you can see that as you add, or if you change features on the part, it's going to be changing the surface area. So you can see if, whatever the change may be, you can see how much it's going to cost you, how much you're going to save, and just so you know how much like the coating is going to be. Now, right now it's in millimeters. Some people want it in square meters. If they want it in inches, all you have to do is go into Tools, click Options, click Document Properties, and click Units, and you're able to select either meters, centimeters, millimeters, or inches. So it's up to you whichever way you need to convey the surface area to whoever it is that you're talking to. Most of the time though, I keep it usually when I'm doing like a surface area quote for a coating coat, it's usually centimeters, and sometimes if the part's big enough, it's going to be in meters. So that concludes our tutorial on how to calculate coating within SOLIDWORKS.